Okay guys, so for today's lecture, we start to learn about HTML. So before we do that, let's first create our project folder, and the command for that in the terminal is make MKDIR, and let's call it HTML-intro. Okay, so for us to check if we have created that folder, command will be dir, and as you can see, again we have created it. Clear. Now let's change or go to our directory. So the command for that is cd and the folder name, which is HTML intro, and let's run again the command dir to check if we have successfully changed our directory to our project folder. Clear? Now for us to open this in our text editor, let's run the command code dot and Visual Studio Code will automatically open, and there is our project folder. Now next we will first create our first HTML document, and the command for that is touch. Let's go with 01 intro.html. Now when creating a HTML document, make sure that you give it extension .html. Always give it extension .html. And as you can see, we have successfully created our first HTML file. So that's it for today's lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.